Getting cats up on their paws and on their way home after surgery may depend on how well their pain is managed. Cats often experience post-operative pain, but don't always get the treatment they need. 1 in 5 cats are not treated for surgical pain. In addition, surveys show that only 18% of veterinarians are satisfied with the pain management choices for cats. Post-operative pain management is an important part of compassionate veterinary care, and it should be tailored to meet each individual patient's needs. Many veterinarians turn to opioids for feline post-operative pain relief. However, opioids do not help in reducing inflammation associated with surgery. By treating both surgical pain and inflammation with a multimodal therapeutic approach, you can target multiple sites in the pain pathway. Non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs are a mainstay for the management of surgical pain in cats. In fact, the AHA Pain Management Guidelines recommend NSAIDs for feline postoperative pain relief. Get your feline patients home comfortably with Onsior, the market leader in feline NSAIDs. Available as both a tablet and injection, Onsior for Cats presents a well-tolerated, effective feline postoperative pain solution. Onsior Tablets for Cats has been on the market since 2012, and along with Onsior Injection, is the #1 feline NSAID brand in the US. Onsior for Cats is currently used in over 70% of small animal veterinary hospitals, and its safety and efficacy have been well documented in many peer-reviewed publications. Onsior is delivered to the site of inflammation rapidly. While the active ingredient is rapidly absorbed and persists at the site of inflammation, it is also quickly eliminated from the bloodstream. Onsior for Cats is conveniently available as both a small flavored tablet and an injection. For optimal flexibility between the hospital and home, these 2 formulations are interchangeable, given once daily for up to a maximum of 3 days. Help get your feline surgical patients from hospital to home with Onsior.